You feel the nature, sowing seeds for a bountiful harvest. Tending your little ones, you give them the food and water they need to grow healthy and strong. You protect them from the elements and the wildlife. Finally, with pride, you reap a bountiful harvest. The real joy comes from sharing. Crop Drop collects your excess produce from allotments, maximising the value of your efforts and reducing food waste. Crop Drop delivers weekly to community kitchens and food clubs and educates families on how to cook healthier meals using your fresh vegetables. Together, we're equipping families to tend to their little ones with food and drink they need to grow healthy and strong. The real joy comes with full tummies. At the food club, excess crops from your allotments help families to make ends meet. Families purchase mixed grocery bags at a discounted price, topped up with your donated vegetables. This lifeline prevents children going to bed hungry. Your crops put the healthy option back on their table and a spring back in their step. The real joy comes from making a difference. The cost of living crisis has dramatically increased the demand for fresh vegetables at community kitchens and food clubs. Crop Drop needs your help to plant just a few extra vegetables, fully optimising the space in your allotment or garden. And let's avoid vegetables going to waste while you're on holiday. Crop Drop needs you. If you live in the Nottingham and Sherwood area and could grow a few extra vegetables for Crop Drop, please email cropdrop@newark-sherwooddc.gov.uk.